Hello YouTube. Today I found out that I have a flat tire. It's at 5 psi and I located it. There's a screw right here. I need to get to work, so I need to fix this quick. Let me show you how I can do this in under 5 minutes. So first let's take out this screw. Luckily for me, it was easy to find where the screw is located at. But if you can't find where the leak is, you will have to take the tire off, spray soapy water to identify where the hole is. I have a repair kit and some rubber cement. This is not the best kit. I'll have a better picture linked. So here's my needle tool and here are my repair plugs. First let's grab a repair plug. And I just want to feed it through this tool. It's a little sticky. Alright, the reason why it's sticky is it has some rubber cement. And here's a tube of rubber cement, but it's we want to add a little bit more to it. Oops, that gooed out pretty quick. Alright. So now this has more rubber cement on it. I'm just going to put this to the side for now. So next thing, this is a wraps tool, and I'm just putting some rubber cement on it as well too. And I'm going to do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first take out the screw. If it was a nail, you just take a pair of pliers and remove it. After this comes out, I'm going to locate it, and I'm just going to stab it. And the whole goal is to just stab it and clean out, make this hole big enough so I can insert the plug. Alright, before I pull this out, I'm going to have this plug ready. I'm going to pull this out and stab this in. Alright, so I got it in, and now in one motion, just pull it out. Okay, that's not bad. And then now just trim off the excess. So let's now fill the tire with air. And we want to fill it up drive it, see and monitor it, see if the patch is fixed. If it isn't fixed, then of course you have to redo the process or bring it to a professional.